10 reasons why passive income is so important. Passive income is one of the biggest advantages that investors have over active investors. Passive income comes in many different forms and can provide you with a consistent stream of income that allows you to live the life you want without having to invest a lot of time and money into your business. In this video, we're going to discuss 10 reasons why passive income is so important and how it can benefit you. We will also show you some examples of passive income streams that you can start working on right away. So if you're interested in learning more about passive income, be sure to subscribe to our channel because we're going to keep dropping awesome content like this. Number 1. Improved financial stability. On the road to wealth, one of the most important milestones you can hit is financial stability. In other words, if you can look at your financial situation and know with confidence that you have the ability to weather a strong financial storm, then you're on a really solid path. Even better than that, if you can count on money coming in without you having to work for every penny of it, then financial stability is just around the corner. And the more of that money that comes in, the more confident and stable you will feel in your finances. When you don't have to grind for every dollar you earn, it allows you to relax, look at the big picture, and make wiser financial decisions, which in turn improves your financial stability. It's a wonderful little cycle, and one of the main reasons why passive income plays such an important role in personal finance. Number 2. Less reliance on a paycheck. There's nothing like the stress that comes from living paycheck to paycheck. And if that's your situation, then adding a bit of passive income to your life is one of the best steps you can take. I don't think it's any secret that when you're trading time for dollars, it can get a little overwhelming at times. And the further you can separate yourself from your reliance on your next paycheck, the lighter your life will feel. I can tell you from personal experience that escaping the paycheck to paycheck lifestyle is one of the biggest benefits of passive income. And if you're tired of pinching pennies just to make it through to your next paycheck, trust me, I know how stressful that is, then I highly recommend working towards and developing some passive income streams. Number 3. It's easier to achieve your goals. Have you ever thought to yourself, if only I earned more money, I could achieve my financial goals much faster? Well, that's just another reason why passive income is so wonderful. No matter what financial goals you're trying to achieve, if you develop some passive income streams that allow you to make money at all times of the day, you will achieve your goals much faster. Number 4. More freedom to pursue your passions. Along the same lines as escaping the paycheck to paycheck lifestyle, when you have some passive income rolling into your bank account, you will suddenly find yourself with the freedom to pursue your passions, or for that matter, your dream career. Consider this. When you rely on your active income in order to make ends meet, it's easy to end up stuck in a job you can't stand. I mean, quitting a job is hard enough, but quitting a job when you don't have enough money to cover your rent that's due in 2 weeks is especially difficult. On the other hand, if you have a steady stream of passive income flowing into your finances, you get the freedom to pursue the things you really want to pursue. To put it simply, passive income gives you options, and with those options comes freedom. Number 5. Location independence. Similarly, in many cases, passive income allows you to live and work from wherever you want. Since you don't have to continually work in order to earn passive income, you don't have to work from a specific place. I mean, as long as you're earning enough passive income to fund your lifestyle, you could travel the world if you want, and many people do. Number 6. Early retirement. For many people, retirement is something that can only be achieved later in life. But if you develop some streams of passive income, retirement might not be as far off as you think. Seriously, if you like the idea of retiring at a young age, then passive income should be your main financial focus. Whether that means building a business that operates without you having to be there, investing in the stock market, or a combination of a few different income sources, passive income is essential if you want to retire at a young age. Number 7. More financial margin. In personal finance, the more financial margin you can create in your life, the better off you'll be. In other words, the more room you have between your expenses and your income, the easier your financial life will become. And when you're generating a steady stream of passive income each month, creating that financial margin becomes much easier. For example, let's imagine that your total monthly expenses add up to $3,000. Now, if you earn an active household income of $4,000, then your monthly margin would be $1,000. That's not bad, But if you throw an extra $2,000 of monthly passive income into the mix, your life just became a lot easier. Number 8. Reduced stress. After all we've talked about thus far, there's one commonality between everything. It's simple. Passive income has a unique way of reducing your financial stress. I would know. Having been on both sides of the equation, I can tell you that a life with passive income is significantly less stressful than a life without it. Since passive income increases your financial stability, margin, freedom, and so much more, it's only natural that it can help you reduce your financial stress. So if your financial situation is making you feel a little tight around the collar, you might just need to place a little more importance on passive income. Number 9. It's exciting. Passive income isn't restricted by the time and effort you're able to put into it. In other words, passive income can be earned at all hours of the day and night, even when you're asleep. And at the risk of revealing how much of a personal finance nerd I am, it's incredibly exciting to earn. There's just nothing quite like waking up in the morning knowing you earned a couple $100s while you were asleep. And in my experience, the more excited you are about your financial situation, the more likely you will be to keep improving it. Number 10. Improves your financial consistency. The final reason why passive income is important is because it can help improve your financial consistency. From consistently saving, to consistently investing, to consistently giving, the more passive income you develop, the easier it becomes to stay consistent in your financial life. Final words. Passive income is one of the best and most important elements of a sound financial situation. From improving your financial stability to reducing your financial stress, I have yet to discover a single downside to earning passive income. I hope you guys surely liked and enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.